From feature factory to strategic influence. Are you a glorified order taker or a strategic leader? This could be your career-defining moment. Many product owners get stuck in feature factories, churning out work without questioning the why. The best product owners don't just manage demand, they influence what gets built. The key is learning how to negotiate with stakeholders, push back on low-value work, and prioritize ruthlessly. Advanced product owner training teaches you how to shift from building features to driving real business impact. Want to take control of your product backlog? Learn how to think more strategically? Well, visit effectiveagile.com and register today and follow for more.